Hello, clever cats. Are you ready to learn some name of body parts? Let's go. This is your head. Can you touch your head? Tap tap. These are your eyes. Can you blink your eyes? This is your ear. Can you hear that sound? This is your mouth. You eat and talk with your mouth. Can you say hello?
Hello.
These are your hands. Can you wave them? These are your arms. They help you hug. This is foot. They help you walk. These are legs. They help you exercise. And inside here a heart that beats all the time.